Good day. In this video, we will be learning about how to get the chances of an event likely or unlikely to happen. We are going to talk about the probability of a simple event. In real life, there is no two less certainties. For example, we have a coin. Again, we'll be using this paper cut representations for a coin. Now, if we flip this, we are not certain if we are going to get a head or a tail. What we know are the possible outcomes. That is, getting either a tail or a head. And it is likely to show when we flip a coin. That is what we call a probability. This tells us how likely or unlikely an event is going to happen. This time, I'll show you a probability line wherein you can see a 0, the gap or the numbers between 0 and 1, and 1. When an event is impossible to happen, its probability is 0. And if we are certain, 100% sure that it is going to happen, the probability will be 1. If the event is likely or unlikely to happen, therefore, the probability will be between 0 and 1. As a probability is represented by fractions, therefore we can write probability as decimals or percent. Let's try. If we have 0, we can have at 0%. And here in the certain part, we can have it or represent it as 100%. Furthermore, writing a probability would follow a formula wherein a probability of an event is the number of outcomes all over the number of total outcomes. Please bear this in mind as we will use this formula in finding the probability of an event that will be discussed later on.